What's going on, my friends? Cool Andy here. I haven't uploaded video in a while, and because of a big situation that happened with me and my family, and I just want to make this video to warn everybody about lithium batteries. They can be very dangerous. They can get on fire and you can lose everything. That's how you get this Tesla's car getting on fire. This is just happened to us. It happened already. It happened last month, the 2nd, so it's been like a month and a week already. So I've been dealing with all this situation, but I just want to make you guys aware, and everybody that watch this video aware of lithium batteries. Any type of lithium battery, don't leave and charge it overnight. Just charge it when you are around, because they can get on fire and you can lose everything. And here I'm gonna show you what happened to me. Me and my family, we just lost everything, and we are dealing with this, but life goes on. We're gonna fix everything, and in the future we're gonna get our motorcycles back. But for now, this is what I'm dealing with. Check it out. This is what is left of my beautiful garage, where I used to keep my berries, my motorcycles. So they are gone now. All my tools, my generators, and everything else that we have here, laundry room, everything is gone. And I just wanted you guys to be aware of lithium batteries. They are very, very dangerous, and I will never have again lithium batteries charging in my house at all. So I just want to make this video to make you aware. So be aware, pass the message, tell your friends, your family, your parents, anybody that you know, to be aware of lithium batteries, because they can get on fire, and your house can get on fire, your car can get on fire, and your life can change in a second. So pass the message, and I'll see you in the next video. We're gonna start working in the house, cleaning everything, repairing. The roof is gone. So a lot of work ahead of Cool Dandy, but I'll be making videos in the process. And just be safe and watch out with lithium batteries. They can change your life for bad, not for good. So just be aware of that. And I'll see you in the next one. GG's. Let me give you a close up here of this disaster. Fire is the worst thing that can happen to anything. It destroys everything. This here used to be my BMW that I just bought probably 6 months ago. That's what is left. And that's my beautiful fat boy right there. And everything that we keep here, everything is destroyed and gone. Just be careful, guys. Don't be careful with lithium batteries. Just be careful, and tell everybody that you know about them, so they are aware, and you guys can prevent this happening to somebody else. I'll see you on the next one. GG's.